Phillip Futures Market Watch. My name is Joyce Liu, and I'm an investment analyst with Phillip Futures. Coffee prices made lower highs and lower lows since 2nd October this year. The Arabica front-month contract lost more than 21% of its value since then, and the Robusta front-month contract lost close to 16%. Will this trend continue going forward? We will examine some of the fundamental and technical factors to answer this question. A review of the Arabica front-month contract prices shows a downward trend that started in May last year. The downward trend extended throughout the marketing year 2011 and 12, which stretches from October last year to September this year. Meanwhile, Robusta prices started its downward trend at the same time in May 2011. However, Robusta prices bottomed out in early January 2012 at $1,704 per ton. Thereafter, Robusta prices traded in a higher range, with strong support at the 2000 level. The divergence in Arabica and Robusta prices since early this year reflects a fundamental shift in demand from relatively premium Arabica coffee to relatively inferior Robusta coffee, as the economic growth remains lackluster. As a result, the premium spread of Arabica coffee over Robusta coffee decreased from 145 cents per pound in January this year to 60 cents per pound currently. A closer look reveals that the divergence of the spread is also related to the amount of certified Arabica stocks held in New York vis-a-vis certified Robusta stocks held in London. The graph shows that London certified Robusta stocks, denoted by the blue bars, held firm from May to December 2010 and almost doubled from January to July 2011. Meanwhile, the New York certified Arabica stocks, denoted by the red bars, dropped steadily. This increased differential in certified stocks coincides with the large run-up in Arabica premium from May 2010 to July 2011. From August 2011 onwards, certified Robusta stocks fell exponentially while certified Arabica stocks held firm and rose in the last quarter of marketing year 2011 and 12. This coincides with the decrease in Arabica premium. In view of this, we do not think that the large premium in Arabica observed in 2011 is likely to resume again, given that certified Arabica stocks have now risen above certified Robusta stocks. Coffee production for crop year 2012 and 13 has started in all major exporting countries. Current estimates for total production is 147 million bags, an increase of almost 10% over total production of 134.5 million bags in the marketing year that just ended. On the other hand, consumption is projected to increase only 2% year-on-year to 142 million bags. More than 50% of the increase is expected to come from developing nations such as Brazil, Russia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and China. Whether such optimism can be realized will depend heavily on factors such as the economic growth trajectory and currency strength in these emerging economies. Based on the projected large increase in production and smaller and uncertain increase in consumption, we are of the opinion that coffee prices are more on the bearish side. Let's now move on to the technicals. For Arabica coffee, the main trend from May 2011 is down, with prices currently negotiating the strong support at about 145 cents per pound levels. Prices may fall to the next support level of 130 cents per pound, should it break thoroughly through the 145 levels. MACD shows bullish divergences, indicating that the downward momentum is waning. Hence, prices are not expected to fall to the lows of 101.6 cents per pound reached in December 2008. Looking at Robusta prices, the strong downward trend that started in May last year is seen as the main trend and the recent rise as the counter trend. The upward counter trend has recently shown signs of waning, with MACD showing bearish divergences. It is likely that prices may resume the downward trend and make new lows below $1,700 per pound. This bearish sentiment is also in line with the weak fundamentals of Robusta coffee, which is expecting bumper crops in Brazil and Vietnam this year. For more information on the risks and returns of investing in agriculture's futures, please approach any representative from Phillip Futures for further discussion. Thank you and stay tuned for more Market Watch videos.